Kebetulan hari ini saya dan teman-teman saya pemuda Padang juga akan berpetualang ke daerah Padang Panjang, yaitu air terjun Proklamator. Jadi air terjun ini sangat terkenal, sangat viral karena suasana yang indah dan airnya sangat jernih yang bikin suasana hati semakin tenang. Jadi healing kita hari ini ke air terjun Proklamator yang ada di Padang Panjang, tepatnya itu sebelah Dembanai. Bagaimana keseruannya? Tetap ikuti kami terus dan jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe terus Penyanyi Minang. Perjalanan ke air terjun Proklamator dari kota Payakumbuh menuju Padang Panjang kisaran 1,5 jam. Jadi kami berangkat dari Payakumbuh pukul 8.30 dan kami sampai di daerah Padang Panjang jam 9:30.
Bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see.
Ya, terjun Proklamator
From up here,
Padang Panjang.
the world seems small.
Udah ke Limbanai ya kawan.
We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Lagi CN, Batu Putih ya.
Sometimes you need to go.
Antrian
Take a
sembako.
step back to see the truth around you.
Hello Ben. Saya merokok ya.
You and me, we're meant to be
Ah, tiba ya.
in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, Control away the pieces that you gave, betray in a way. Often I'm stuck on my back. How could you do this? We've been through this for a while. Once secure, now it's gone. Hold me not, give me back my mind. My thoughts that you're taking, stop me to care. Could the night help me shut you out? She gave me a lesson not to go tonight, but I already tried. Try to latch myself out of your space, far away, until the distance passes like it's a new journey. My heart has had enough of pain. Once a fool, now I'm away. Hold me not, give me back my mind. My thoughts that you're taking, stop me to care. Could the night help me shut you out? You gave me a lesson not to go and die, 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 not to go. But I already tried.
Karena hari hujan, jadi itulah kondisinya. Terjun proklamator, jadi kami berangkat dari Pegumbua 20 orang. Itu ada tambahan napo jatko ada 8 orang atau 6 orang. Kita ikuti kami terus, jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe ke Jelajah Minang, kawan.
Bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors forever.